number sequence. So today we are going to do the sequences, and we are given some number sequence, and we are going to add a few terms in that sequence, and we are also going to tell what is the rule over here, what is the rule over here to get that sequence. So what we need to do to check the sequence, what is the difference in between the two terms? Every next number is called the next term of the sequence, and there must be a specific rule in between these numbers. How to get the new terms? There must be a specific rule. Now we are going to find out that rule, how to find out that rule. Okay, for example, the first sequence is 3, 8, 13, 18, 23 and so on. We are supposed to find the next two terms over here. So we will check what is the difference between in these two. 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So we are adding plus 5. In the next one, we are adding plus 5. In the plus one, next one, 18 minus 13 will give us 5. 23 minus 18 will give us 5. So this is the most easiest one when the difference is same. So we can easily find out the next two terms. 23 plus 5, it will give us 28. 28 plus 5, it will give us 33. So the next two terms, it's easier to find in the sequence which is having the difference which is same, which is having the same common difference. So every term is having the same difference. So the next two terms are 28 and 33. Now state a rule. So what is the rule over here? We will state the rule. Add 5 in each term to get the next term. So this is the rule in this. Now the second question, for instance, minus 20, minus 26, minus 32 and so on. So what we are supposed to do, we will check the difference again. What is the difference? Minus 20, minus 26. Obviously we will add minus 6 in minus 20 to get minus 26. Again, minus 26 minus 32, minus 6 over here, minus 38 minus 32. So what is the difference? When we will add minus 6 in minus 32, we will get minus 38. So minus 38, like we will check as well, minus 6. 8 plus 6, 2, 1 carried. 8 plus 6, 12, 1 carried, and yeah, 4. Minus 40, minus 44. So it will give us minus 44. So in this way, the difference over here is minus 6. The difference over here is minus 6. So again, then to get the next term, minus 44, minus 6, 6, 4, 10, 1 carried, 50. So the next term is minus 50. To get the next term now, minus 56. So in this way, we have written the next two terms. Now what is the rule? The rule over here is add minus 6 in each term to get the next term. Like this. Now for instance, the next one is, now we will check. We can see over here the difference 5 and 15, the difference is 10. 15 and 45, the distance is 30, and the distance is over here, it is increasing. The difference is not the same. So we will check another rule. We can see the numbers are increasing and increasing highly. So over here is 5 and this is 15. There is a big difference. So either when the numbers are increasing, either it is addition or it may be multiplication. So now we will check the multiplication rules. 5, to get 15, from 5 we will multiply by 3. 5 into 3 will give us 15. 15 into 3 will give us 45. 45 into 3 will give us 135. 135 into 3 will give us 405. So we have find out the rule. Over here we are multiplying each term by 3. When the order is increasing, it is either addition or multiplication. So now to get the next term, we will multiply this. It will be 1215, and to get the next term, 3645. So the next term will be 3645. So in this way we have written the next two terms. So what is the rule over here? Multiply each term by 3 to get the next term. Now the next one, the last one over here. Okay, what to do? We can see the numbers are decreasing. The numbers are decreasing, and the decreasing order is very high. Over here is 4000, and over here is 1000, and over here it is in the 100, and over here it is just in tens. So it may be, there are two options. If the decreasing order, in the decreasing order there are two options, either subtraction or division, and we can see that it is division. It must be division because the decreasing order is very high. So now what we will check that by which number it has been divided to get this number. We will check now. 4374. Let's try with the last digit is 4. Over here the last digit is 8. It may be 3. Let us check with our divisibility rule. Is it divisible by 3? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So yes, this number is 18. So it is divisible by 3. So now we will check by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1, 3. Now 3 fours are 12, 1, 7, 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15. We will do 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24. So it is 1458. It is the same. But how to get the negative sign? So obviously we will have to divide by -3 to get the negative sign. So we will divide by -3, we will get negative sign over here. So like for instance 4374 divided by -3, it will give us -1458. So the next term is -1. The next term over here is -1458. So it means it is going to be divided. Now we will check one more term, either our difference is same or not. Either each term is we are getting each term by dividing or by something else. Now we will check the next one. -1458 divided by -3. Minus will be cancelled by minus. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 3 6 are 18. So we are getting this number, which is positive now. So it means our rule is working. So what we need to do now, we will just divide this term by 3 to get the next term. So 54 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So it is 18. Now 18 divided by 3 will give us 6. So the next two terms are 18 and 6. So this one will be negative and this one will be positive. Now one is coming negative and the other is coming positive because we are dividing by -3. So what is the rule over here? Divide each term by -3 to get next term. Thank you.